Hello, beautiful children. How are you all? Welcome to Kids Learning. Today we will learn name of farm animals. So let's get started. So the first one is cat, kitten, dog, puppy, donkey, pig, duck, goose, he-goat, she-goat, lamb, hen, rooster, chick, rabbit, sheep, cow, ox, calf, horse, mare, turkey, mouse, peacock, ostrich, pigeon, pony, owl, ant, bee, wasp, crow, butterfly, grasshopper, and spider. Please like my videos, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Goodbye.